guys, MickeyW124 here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna change my RAM memory from 8 gig to a 16, actually from a 4 gig to a 16 gig Corsair, as you guys can see. So it's pretty nice. I actually got this recommended from Awesome GoPro videos. I'll have a link in the description below there. And by the way, when I have your attention, please subscribe right there and like it right there. And you noobs, you can dislike it here and add it to your favorites there. So let's get to the tutorial. So what you're gonna need is not sure which one's the Phillips screwdriver, but I think, let me see. If this one fits, then it's okay. Yeah, it's this one. This is the Phillips screwdriver. This is a set I got in New York. Actually, my dad got it a couple of years back. It's been in the family for forever, so don't want to destroy this, but I already did. So, close up the set when you got your screwdriver. And what you want to do is unscrew each of these. And this one, let me... actually, whatever. These three ones right here, you want to keep in mind. These are the long screws, the really long ones. And these on the bottoms, as you can see here, are the shorter ones. So maybe I don't have anything to put them in. Actually, I do. I just have to get all my stuff out of it because I was actually putting in a new SSD a couple of days ago. And now my the RAM came. So I'm going to be using a standard magnetic use cup holder. As you can see, it sticks right there. So you just put it aside, and you want to start unscrewing the screws. And remember, if you have not the professional kind, I have the mini set. You're gonna want to put more pressure on it so you don't destroy the aluminum screws because they get used up a lot. So keep that in mind. So let's start. I didn't destroy the screw, let me just see if I... Yeah, I kind of screwed it up, but whatever. All the screws are finished, so lift it up. And the first time, I think if you lift it, it will be pretty hard. Oh, and you hear a click noise. Oh, guys, don't hate me for this, but this is really hard to put off. It's actually the second time. Holy damn. Holy damn, this is on hard. Damn. Okay. So, oi. Yeah, leave your responses in the comment section below. Okay, so this is how the top looks like. It's pretty cool. This part actually goes on top. Okay, so this is how the inside of a Mac looks like. So, as you can see, this is my 240 gig Vertex 3 OCZ SSD. Let me see if I put this in actually. Yeah, okay. So it's on. Okay, so in the next tutorial, I'll be taking out the motherboard. I'm not taking out. I would do this, take these out, put in the data doubler. Okay, let me just find my stuff. Find my amazing scissors. Just take me a moment. So this is the RAM. This is where the RAM is located. Maybe zoom in. This is where I'll be taking out and putting in the new one. Just go up a little bit. Okay. So, take your amazing scissors, open up the Corsair RAM. Okay. And make sure to wash your hands before and de-static your hands by touching something metal because it can affect. So Remember, try not to touch as many pins. Let me just touch something metal. Okay. Okay, so to take out the RAM, just click here, and it just pops out right like that. Just give it a little nudge, like that, and it's out. Just like that, and this is how it looks like. So these are your pins, and this is the way it goes in. So let me put this aside. Okay, now the same thing, you do the same thing. Flip it up, and it'll take probably with a little bit of more effort. Take it out. Oh, this is hard. It looked easy on YouTube. Let's try to put this up again. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, it's going, it's going. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Baby girl. Came out a little hard. Not bad. Okay, so this is how the second one looks like. They're both 2 gig. So let's set this one aside also. Now let's take the Corsair. This is the Corsair model. It's this 8 gig. Just slide it in. Just slide it in. Sheet. Actually don't know how to slide it in. It's actually very tricky. How do you slide it in? Okay, so I think I'm getting it. Oh damn. I think I put it in incorrectly. Oh damn. This is scary. I'm serious. Because I don't know which way it goes in. I mean, how to put it in properly. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm trying to get this aligned. Because TLD Daily, he puts it in so easily. Ah. This is sounding so horrible. Oh my god. Damn. Damn, bruh. Oh. Got it in, I think. Yep, you just push it down. Just like that, and it's in. So, let's take the other one. So right there. And, oh damn, dog. And just slide it in. No, I put it in incorrectly again. Damn. Oh, it goes in there. Yeah. Yeah. No, still has to go in a little bit. Okay. Now they're both in. I think I put it in correctly. Yeah, that's in. Okay. So next episode I'll be let me zoom out so you guys can see. I'll be taking out the optical drive, putting in a OWC data doubler. Yeah. And I'll be disconnecting some things in the motherboard. And as you can see, this is my OCZ. This is my OCZ SSD. It's very silent and it's amazing. I love it. And it's awesome. And it's amazing. And it's awesome. And it's amazing. And it's awesome. Okay, so see you guys. And technically, God, I'm so retarded on camera. Let's just put this back on. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And it should just go in quite easily. I hope. Damn. Just go. Okay. So, okay guys, now just power up your computer. Should take just a really short time because I have an SSD. So just check it out how fast this would take. And kapow, you're in, just like that. So, go into the Apple thing, go to About This Mac, and I don't know if you guys see this, let me zoom in. Look, it should say 16 gigs after installation. I just go into more info, Now it should say 16 gigs of RAM, DDR3. Now this is overkill, but I still love this Mac, and I'm gonna try to use this as long time as possible, and especially with my RAID configuration soon. So before I end this tutorial, I want you to guys check out my amazing new video. It's called The Walking Dead. So check it out. It's really cool. Hope to see you guys in another tutorial. See you guys.